Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make teal color. For this we'll need yellow color, Persian blue color, white color, a palette. I am using a container, some water and some brush. One brush. So let's get started. So first we'll take one part of yellow color and then we'll take two parts of Persian blue color and mix all the colors. And one part of white color. Now mix all the colors. We'll take one part of blue color more. If you are taking the lemon yellow color, please do not take more than two parts of Persian blue color, as I did a mistake and I have not taken the lemon yellow color. I have to take three parts of Persian blue color. Now I'll show you how the teal color is looking. See how beautiful it is looking. And if you like watching the color mixing videos, you can watch it by clicking on that I button, and also on the end screen playlist which will appear. All the color mixing videos I have made, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.